Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Silvina, and in today's video we are going to the Cotswolds. Here's where some scenes of Queen Charlotte from Bridgerton were filmed, and it's so magnificent. Like, look at this, it's beautiful. I don't think that pictures or videos will make justice of how beautiful this place is. Look at this, it's beautiful. This is like so peaceful and so calm. I would love to live here. Like, it would be my dream to live in a place like this. So I know I've said that this video was going to be through the Cotswolds, and technically this is not in the Cotswolds, but tomorrow we are going to go to a Cotswold place, but I just wanted to show you this because it's so beautiful. By the way, I think I never told you what I'm wearing. So the trench coat, you already know it, is from Zara. The shirt is also from Zara. The sweater is new, it's from New Look. Then my pants are from Primark, and the sneakers are from Adidas. Just a little outfit of the day on the middle of Blenheim Palace. So loud, like like, I don't know if you can hear me. Look at this place. It's so beautiful. I know I've been saying this like repeatedly, but it's really beautiful. Like I think that videos and pictures do not give it justice to how beautiful it is. The ticket is £38, but it's an annual pass, so you can come back whenever you want for an entire year, which is good. And yes, it's a little pricey, £38, but I think it's very much worth it. Like the state itself, the whole state, it's beautiful. The palace is beautiful. The only thing I would love for them to give you like free audio guides, like the actual thing, not an online version. If they gave you free audio guides, I think it would be a 10 out of 10 experience. Here in the UK, if you wait for the rain to stop to do something, you will never do anything because it rains practically every day, especially in like autumn and winter. So yeah, we don't care here about the rain. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Like, this is all uphill. The good thing is that I'm doing some exercise, like a free exercise. Okay, so now we are in Woodstock, which is like the town right next to Blenheim Palace, and it's so pretty. Well, hello everyone. So we are here at a town that's called Moreton-in-Marsh. Today is not a great day. Like, you know when everything starts to go wrong and it goes wrong? Like, first of all, I got wet with the rain, like really wet. So I think, you know, against my will, I will have to buy an umbrella. Because, you know, walking in the rain for one occasion is okay, but every day is like, it's not possible. Then I spilled my whole coffee inside on my scarf, and then I had to throw the coffee mug on the trash because I dropped it accidentally in a dirty pond. So I had to throw it away. And then I have like no phone signal here in the town, like at all, and this is something that I will talk about in the future in one of my videos. But the phone signal and like the internet connection here is awful. Like seriously, it's so bad. I get, you know, no signal at times. So I was trying to Google how to go to another town that I wanted to go, but I just cannot have internet connection. So yeah, this is how our lovely day is going. But let me show you a little bit about this town. It's really pretty. The only thing is that I don't have internet connection.
so strong, girl. I can feel you slipping away.
Okay guys, so we're here in a little town called Burton-on-the-Water, I think. But it's really pretty. Like, look at this lake or river that is going through here, and everything's just so Cotswold-esque. Okay, so I just bought another scarf and some gloves because I am freezing, you guys, and I see people like in shorts, and I even saw a guy in flip-flops, and I'm not kidding. And I was like, what are you doing, sir? It's like 12 degrees.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
This place is so cool. It's like a mini-sized village. It's so cool.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't.
Okay, so now we are in a little town between Moreton-in-Marsh and Burton-in-the-Water that is called Stow-in-the-wold. I love these names, they are so cute. Which is, you know, very little, but it's very pretty and very Cotswolds-esque, like I said.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
Look at this place, it's stunning. Hello everyone! So today we are going to another Cotswold little town that's called Cirencester. As you can see, once again the weather is not great, but you know, this is England. This is what we have to deal with. Okay, so basically a little introduction. This town that we're going to, Cirencester, is allegedly called like the capital of the Cotswolds. Okay, so we are here in Cirencester, and it's like a market town, and it's really pretty. It's like very Cotswold-esque, like we have been saying about every city that we visit. People in Roman Britain were very fashion conscious, as in every age, including our own, the clothes they wore said much about who they were or who they wished to be. I love that, you know, nothing has really changed in terms of fashion. We still have that mentality nowadays. Those are some really elaborate bracelets. I do have to say that those dolls freak me out. Okay, so as you may have been able to see, this is called the capital of the Cotswolds because back in the day, you know, like a lot of centuries ago, this was the second largest Roman city in what is now called England. So this was a central place for Roman society, so you will be able to see a lot of influence of Roman societies in these towns. So basically, cities did not exist in this territory before the Romans. They kind of invented the cities here because Romans liked to live in society and in cities. So yeah, they developed the cities here in the UK. This place is so stunning. This is literally my favorite type of place to live. It's like a little town, but it's not that little, and it has like all of this beautiful architecture. So yeah, I love it here. Like, I love London, but sometimes it's so overcrowded and so loud that it's a little bit too much for me, especially because I come from a country that has like 3 million people and it's very little. It's very small, so sometimes London is a little bit too much for me, but this is like perfect.